When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. So, if you're looking for the best customer service backed by years of experience, then we are the right fit for you. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.